Low-carb versus low-fat diets, a heart-healthy weight loss showdown. The secret to effective weight loss. Imagine losing not just more weight, but healthier weight. Johns Hopkins researchers embarked on a revealing journey. Cut to visuals of researchers at work, with graphs and data surrounding them. In their study, two diets were compared head-to-head, low-carb versus low-fat, both with identical calorie counts. Transition to a split screen, showing the progress of individuals on both diets. The results were astounding. Those on the low-carb diet shed an impressive 10 pounds more. Shift to close-ups of healthy, vibrant foods that fit into a low-carb diet. But it's not just about the numbers. The quality of weight loss matters. Focus on a comparison graphic showing the difference in body composition changes between the diets. The low-carb group experienced a higher quality of weight loss, losing more fat and preserving lean tissue. Form your weight loss journey with the power of low-carb eating. Start today.